What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz and welcome to another episode of Alternative Luxury Watches. Now, if you haven't seen the playlist, make sure you check it out. I've got 5 alternative luxury watches in my collection and we are going to add the 6th in this video today. So if you want to see any other watches in my collection, because I've got 6 more spaces left, let me know in the comments what model and what watch it is. So if you haven't seen my previous video, I'll just show you what I've got in my collection. So this is a Casio day date version, which has the day on top of the watch in the bezel, and it's a really nice stainless steel clasp with bracelet and a black dial, so you can actually get that in different colors as well. Here we have another Casio, but this is an alternative luxury ladies watch which is in my collection as well. So this is the Casio version. Like I said, you can see all of these in my alternative luxury watch collection playlist, and you'll know what models and what alternative watches they are like to the original, but these are all the fraction of the price. So this is the Olive's day date, the chronograph one as well, which is a really nice alternative watch with a rubber watch band and also the logo as well. So this is a really nice watch. And the next one we have a Timex. Now you probably know which one this is an alternative of, but I really like this watch as well. I've worn it a few times. So this is a really nice Timex watch. This one we have here is a special edition Casio watch. It's the Doctor Who. So if you want to see the unboxing and review of this, you can check it out, and also check out on my alternative luxury watches playlist as well. And in today's video I am going to show you the 6th alternative luxury watch that I'm going to put in my collection. So if you haven't followed, make sure you follow me on one of my social media above. As always, put up sneak peeks and what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to load any video. You'll actually be notified. Anyways, enough of that. Let me show you the 6th watch I'll be adding to my alternative luxury watch collection, and let me know in the comments what do you think this watch looks like. Here we have the packaging. Now this actually costs me £10. Yes, you heard it right, £10 for an alternative watch. Which one is it? Well, you probably know in the thumbnail, but in the inside the box you also get a tool so you can actually shorten or lengthen the bracelet if you need to. And here is the watch itself in the packaging. So it's called BINBOND. That is what the company is called. They have got different styles of alternative luxury watches. So if you want to see more alternative watches by this brand, let me know which one you want to see. Just before we take a look at the watch, let's see what else you get. So you get a tag, BINBOND tag, and also a BINBOND cardboard with operation instructions on how to use the watch if you don't know how to use it. And you also got the tag here as well, which you can put on the watch. We'll do that later when we add it to our collection. So here is the watch. Let me tell you a bit more information about it. Here is the BINBOND B0161 men's modern waterproof analog watch. It has a luminous stainless steel casual round dial watch with a date calendar. It comes in 5 different colors. This watch runs on a battery and it has a butterfly clasp. It's a quartz movement. The case material is zinc alloy. Pattern type is a figure. Material is zinc alloy with stainless steel watch band. It has a round watch face. The dial diameter is a 43 millimeter. The band length is 21 centimeters and the band width is 18 millimeters. The case thickness is 12 millimeters. You've got a chronograph hour hand. You also got a timing minutes window and also a chronograph hand as well. It has 3 separate crowns. One is a runs second hand timing, the other one is an adjustment where you can adjust your calendar and your time, and the third is a second running with the second hand reset. The pointers are coated with a luminous coating and absorbs the light source according to the sunshine duration, which gives it HD night light. Let's take a look at the watch and show you what it's like. So as you know a bit about it, what do you think of the design? It cost me £10. The original luxury watch will cost you tens of thousands of pounds. So if you want something that looks similar for the fraction of the price, then this is the watch for you. So if you take off this right here, you can actually, the middle one actually changes the time, and also if you push it out, it will actually change their day and time. So you can actually change the picture if you look on the third window here from night and day. Sticking with the third window, I'll show you how to use these two windows after this. So when you actually pull out the middle crown, you can actually change the time. But if you look at the outer window, you can see that that's the 24-hour clock as well. So while your hands are actually moving, the dial actually goes same with the time that's on the main watch as well. So if it's like 6 o'clock here, you can see 6 o'clock AM there, and if you scroll all the way down, you can see it's 6 o'clock in the evening when you scroll all the way back to PM. So that's how you know it's in the PM, where the picture is on the night time, the sun's not out, and you can see that it's on 1800, and you can actually change it from there. So if you want to change the date, you can just push it in once and it'll change the date, and you push it in all again and the time will work there. So how to use these two? Well, this one at the bottom, let me just move out the time so you can actually see the windows better. Now these two work together. So this one here, the middle window, is a stopwatch, and this is a minute window as well. So every time that finishes a minute, it goes on to a minute on there. So for example, if you was to push this button here, it will start the stopwatch here, and once it hits a minute, it'll change on top of there. So you have got an hour stopwatch to work with on these two windows. They work simultaneously as well, which is a good feature to have on this watch. Just want to show you a closer look. As we're hitting the 50-second mark, you'll see that the left hand window is actually moving to 1 minute, and that's how you know 1 minute has passed by using this stopwatch on the middle window right there. So it's a good feature to have on this chronograph watch. And if you want to reset it, you just press the button here, it'll pause it, and if you press the bottom button, it just resets. There we go, resets again. So that's how you use the stopwatch and minute timer on this watch, and you've seen how to use this 24-hour window clock here, which gives you a picture of the night and day. Finishing this video off, we'll take a look at the bracelet and the clasp. So as you saw earlier, it is a butterfly clasp as well, stainless steel as it says. You have got a picture of right, finishing the video off, let's just take a look at the bracelet. It has got a butterfly clasp, which in my opinion is the best clasp you can get on a watch. Overall, like I said, it comes in 5 different colors, where you can change the watch band and also the dial color as well, and also the stainless steel full watch color. You can change that, and as you saw with the tool in the box, you can take off some links if you wanted to make it shorter as well. But overall, what do you think of this £10 BINBOND watch? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like I said, the luxury version is tens of thousands of pounds, and this one looks similar but a fraction of the price. So if you want to see any other videos, because BINBOND actually do some other designs as well. So if you've seen BINBOND and you know what designs they've got, let me know the model number in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to purchase it and add it to my collection. They do lots of designs when it comes to alternative luxury watches. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you again for another video. Last thing I need to do is add it to the collection. And here we have it, the £10 BINBOND quartz alternative luxury watch. That's 6 of the watches in my collection. Let me know what other watches I should add.